This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good afternoon all. May I get a confirmation whether my voice is audible to everyone? Please put it in the chat that you are able to hear me as yes. Okay, thank you for your response. So, uh, can I know what is the total strength you have it in this batch? Can anyone let me know? What is the total number of people who will be joining our session? And we can be at the session. Hope everyone are able to see my screen. So please type it as yes in case if you are able to see my screen. If not, please type it as no. Okay. Thank you for the responses. I think we can start with the session. So before going for the concept, so let me know that you people are aware about what is Facebook and marketing, Facebook marketing. So what are the things we have been discussed in the Facebook before? So you can give me a just inch on it. Is that everyone have been created with the Facebook business page? So if it is yes, please put your Facebook business page name. So I request, please put your Facebook business page name in the chat box. So with what name you are being created with. Can anyone, at least one or two people, can specify their business page name? Okay. So is there anyone who is the class representative, CR? So any concerned person can unmute yourself and let me know. Okay. Mr. Ajay, if you are there, please can you unmute yourself? Ajay, are you there online? Hope everyone are able to hear me. So I thought of having a discussion and doing the concept. It will be easy to understand. Okay, so let me go with the concept. So today's concept we are going to discuss on chatbot. So what does this chatbot means? So you might have been experienced when you people are going to visit any of the business pages on the Facebook, or it could be on any website. Most of the time you will be able to get connected to the concerned person related to that company. So you will feel that the person is talking to you through the chat. So that is, as soon as you are going to visit those pages, you will be able to find a person is going to welcome you, and especially when you are using with the bank apps nowadays. So they are being using with this chatbots. The other name we can call it as a auto responders. So whenever you people are going to visit such type of website, and you have been welcomed there, and you will be asked, so can you, what is your requirement? So what you are looking for? So why you are on this page? So they may ask some questions, and you are going to respond to it, and you will have a responsive immediately. So the thing is, you will feel that the person is actually communicating with you. So it is most of the time it will not be the person who is going to be behind that. So it will be the technology what it is going to respond to you all your questions what you are going to ask for it. Okay, so that is what we are going to learn it today. So first let's see what is chatbot. So little bit theoretically we will see with, and then we will go with the practical way. So chatbot means it is a computer program that simulates human conversation through the voice commands or the text chat or the both. Sometimes it will be both, and most of the time it will be through text chat. So chatbot, it is a short name of a chatterbot, or we can call it as autoresponders. So it is which is a part of an artificial intelligence features, so that can be embedded, so that you can be able to connect it to your digital pages and used through any major messaging applications. So this is the meaning of a chatbot. So what are the uses of the chatbot is, so it will be helping the people when they are very new to this, to your product or services. So they can be able to know with the demo of it, and it shows what is now what they are exactly looking for. Then it will become a personal shopping assistant. So it will give some suggestions, some of the chatbots. Then it will serve as a sales agent. So it will give an information how you are talking to a salesperson in the same way. Then it will provide the quotes and estimates. So if you are interested with the product, there may be chances that it is going to give with the quotations and estimations on the product or services what they are going to ready to buy it. Then it is also connecting to the sales or the customer support. So what we took the example of a bank. So most of the time it will work like a customer support. So instead of getting connected and waiting for a long time through the calls, so we can be able to get some informations through this chatbots, and it is the best assistant to the sales team. So sales team, half of the work it will be done by the chatbot. So the people who are looking for the businesses where they are looking to sell their products. So through the digital platform, this will become a friend for every sales team. So there are two different tasks at the core of a chatbot. So the first part it will be the user request analysis. That is, the person who is going to create the chatbot should be able to know that what is that user really looking for. So this is the first task that a chatbot performs, and it analyzes the user's request to identify the user intent and to extract the relevant entities, the requirements. So the ability to identify the user's intent and extract the data. So the first condition and the most relevant step at the core is, of a chatbot is, if you're not able to correctly understand the user's request, so you cannot be able to prepare a proper chatbot. So always you should be able to know the pulse of your audience. So here I cannot say it as a customer. I can be able to use the word as a audience. So where they will be as a visitor. So based on your the way how you're going to present yourself with your product or informations, so they will become a prospects that is ready to buy. And so once you are going to able to get them as a prospects, it will be easy to convert them as a customers. So this is the first task. You should be able to know what they are looking for, and then you should be able to give the response in a immediate action way. So the answer may be a generic and the predefined text ways, a text retrieved from a knowledge base that contains different answers, that we call it as the FAQs, that is a frequently asked questions and answers, a contextualized piece of information based on the data the user has provided. So we are going to ask them to fill up some of the forms, which we call it as the submission forms. So we will try to connect with that also, so that the people will be able to know that what they are looking exactly with, what is their intention, what is their the exact requirement. So based on that, you can be able to respond to it. Then data stored in the enterprise systems. So we should have an system that whatever the information we are going to have communication through these autoresponders or chatbots. So we should be able to save with us the result of an action that chatbot performed by interacting with one or more backend applications. So it should be connected with more of your uh, platforms. For example, if you are connected through the Facebook, it should be also allowed to get connected with the website or with any other social media platforms also. A disambiguating question that helps the chatbot to correctly understand the user's request. So you yourself, you should not be get confused with what type of questions it will be asked by the audience. So you should be very much clear with that. And for that question, you should be able to give a relevant information or solution to it. And it should be able to get connected to your the landing pages. So these are the tasks of a chatbot. So to make use of this feature, so there are lots of companies, products are there, tools are there, where you can be able to get connected to it, and you can be able to integrate with that to your social media applications or to your landing pages. But the most of the crowd, whenever they are going to visit to your Facebook, so we can be able to recommend one of the tool which is better in performing, and it is easy to integrate or link with your Facebook Messenger is there is a company called Chat Fuel. So I'll just write it on the chat box. The company name is chatfuel.com. So we can go to this website and we can be able to get connected with our existing business page. So the process of connecting the Chatfuel is, so first we have to log in with the Chatfuel account where we can be able to connect it or link it with our Facebook account, and then it will list out all your business pages, list over there, and you can be able to create the automatic responders queries FAQs, and you can be able to create with an welcome message and what are the auto responses you are supposed to give it for any queries it is being asked by them. And finally we can be able to connect it to the messenger button on the Facebook page. So let's see how we can be able to do it the same. So please have a look on the website address. Be sure with this chatfuel.com. So then you can click on the get started for free option. So for the very first time, it will ask you to click on the Facebook account. So in case if it is not allowing you to click on that, it will ask you to sign up. So in the same way, sign in with the Facebook account. So you should log in with your Facebook ID. So once the Facebook account it is going to get connected, so it will open with the dashboard of Chatfuel website. Sorry for the inconvenience. Kindly give me a minute. So this is the first screen what it is going to appear when you are going with the dashboard. So you can be able to create it in two ways. One is a blank bot where you can be able to design your own the structure of the autoresponders on your own way. In that case, you can be able to click on the add blank bot, or you can be able to choose it from the templates. So there are many predefined templates which are available. So in case if you are specific with any particular type of business, and if you want to use the features whatever it is available in the predefined template. So for example, if your business is related to something called gym, so let's go for this. We can just check with the preview of it. So there are some few the free costed templates also are available, and some are premium also. Okay. So this is one of the free template. So it is taking some time due to the content is more in this particular template. So it is taking more time. So meanwhile, I can just show you with the blank bot. So how you can be able to create with your question and answer. So let me create with blank bot. So now you can be able to connect this to your business page by clicking on connect. So here in the first page, it will show you the list of all the business pages what you have been created on the Facebook. So you can select that particular page on which you want to run this chatbot. So click on that. So it shows that it has been connected with. So if you want to check, you can be able to click on this icon, the chat fuel icon. So it will be shown that the name of that bot and it is connected to which business page. So you can be able to see over here. If you want to rename this, you can rename this bot name. So I'll give it as business bot and I'll click on done. So this remains as a name of that bot. So now if I want to do any changes in this, so I can select this and click on this. So it will take me to the dashboard of that particular bot. So now, how do we create those content which has to be shown when the Facebook business page is getting opened? So suppose if I'm going to open that business page, so once we are going to log into your Facebook profile, and if you're searching it with this particular business page, as soon as you open my business page, it should open with the messenger uh, inviting you that hi, welcome, hi Ravi, welcome to digital growing. So there should be some messages should be shown over here. So how to create with such type of messages means, so you have to click on this option called automate on the left hand side tabs. So once you are going to click it and automate, it will show what all the automatic messages we want to give it to the chatbot. So here it is going to show with welcome message, then the default answer. So welcome message means that is a message which will be welcomed when any person is logging to our business page. Immediately it will open that page and it will welcome that person. So how it will be welcome means, as you all know that if anyone is going to logging to the business page, it is not possible to log in directly to the business page. It has to be opened first their profile, that is a personal profile. So in that profile, they are given with their names. So the same name, it will be used over here to welcome them. So automatically this has been tagged over here. It has been programmed that hi, the first name it will be, suppose if any person who has been having a Facebook profile as Ravi. So it will call them as hi Ravi, nice to meet you. So like this, you can be able to change this message if you want to use with any other type of messages. So I can remove this. Do not remove this first name tag what it has been added here. So hi, then the person's name, then I'll say welcome to digital growing place of Okay, so let me put this as an welcome message. The next, as soon as you are going to welcome them, there will be a response message that either they may say that hi, hello. So anything they may respond it. So immediately after their response, so what should be the next message they should be able to get with that? So that will be a default answer. So you can add the information over here. So make sure that what you want to explain about your business in this default answer. So how, when you're going to talk verbally, how you're going to explain it, the same thing you are going to put it over here in the text. So you are going to explain about your business. So once after adding all these things, the next what it could be. So is that they have to just see our business information and they have to exit it from there. So did they come for that purpose? No. So they are expecting what are the services information. So how could be they will be benefited? How do they get connected with us? So you can be able to add those information, a link between your business services. So where do we add this? So if I add it as an text, so it will be ended over there itself. So I should be able to get them connected with my existing business page, or if in case if I've created any of the landing pages, so where I have all the informations, or I can be able to connect it with my uh, submission forms or contact forms. So anything I can be able to take it, the grab the information from the visitor. So we should be able to grab their information so that we can call it as a lead generation form. And at the same time, we should be also give the option to them. So to choose it, whether they are looking for the A type of services or a B type of services, which we are going to provide it from our business side. So how do I create those links? So we can be able to create it by using the blocks. So let me create one block. So click on that plus mark. So on the right hand side, you'll be able to see that edit screen. So let me give it the option as services. So there's the heading of that block. So I want to explain what are the services are there. So I have to click on the text box. So it will create a text box over here. So then I can be able to enter the text information, what I want to give the information about my business services. So I can be able to add with so any of these tools if you are going to use with it, so you can be able to link over here. So by clicking on the plus mark on the right hand side. So I can list out all the services which we are going to provide with. So let's take these as an few of the examples. Next is that only this thing are available. So we also provided something else if in case. So let me add one more block. So I'll add it as membership. So I can add it with a text. So I'll add it as so what are the types of membership services we have it? So 1 year membership, 3 year membership, and lifetime membership. So I'll add a condition that a benefit of it to attract the people. So lifetime membership members will get discount at 20% on all the services. Can I get a confirmation from everyone that my voice is audible? Please type it as clear. Okay. Thank you for the responses. Thank you. So I want to get confirmation whether you people were clear on this, that how did we come to this screen and we created with the bots. Okay. Thanks for the responses. So once after adding all the text, so you can be able to link these blocks. So I've taken only these two blocks as an example. So you can link these two blocks to be connected with your default answer. So as soon as the person is going to visit to our page, so this will be the first welcome message. Then once they respond to it, they are going to get the default answer. So in this default answer, it is not possible directly to connect over here. We should create a link to them. So we have to click on this add button, and here I should be able to give the provisions that to get connected with the blocks. So I have given the name as the services itself. So here I am going to click on this list. I'll be connecting with the services block and click anywhere outside. So it will be provided with the services block. It has been connected with. Again in the same block, I can be able to give it another link for the membership block. So I can be able to add with. So in case if you are looking for to connect it with any of the website link, so you can be able to give this link to them and add with your website address. So in this case, you can be able to add with phone call also. That is a contact number, you can be able to add it. So you can be able to select with the country. So you can be able to add with the contact number also over here. So in case if it is irrelevant to your blog, you can be able to delete it over here. Fine. So with this, if you want, you can be able to add with the images. So I can go here on the image option under add element. So I can be able to upload an image which is up to the maximum size of 10 MB. So click on this. So this is how the image can be added. Okay. So once after adding all the relevant options in the respective blocks, make sure that your existing blocks also it should be linked between one block to another block. So if the people are reading about services, they should be able to link with membership block. So in the membership, I'll add it with services. So I'll add with services block. So with this, you can also add, for example, contact us. Either you can add with the phone call, that is a phone number, or you can be able to add with a link of your website. So you can be able to add like this. In case if you have created with any kind of a submission forms, you can be able to create the submission forms also. So if you want, you can be able to create that through the Google Forms itself. So I'll just show you how you can be able to create with the Google Forms, and you can be able to link the same on your page. So for that, you have to log in with your Gmail ID account. So in market, we have a lots of other types of forms also, but which are on chargeable basis. But where we can be able to use this Google Forms at a free of cost for the initial of your business marketing. So we can go to this forms. So you have both the options, personal and business. So in case if you are doing it real-time business, you can be able to use with this. There are lots of templates you'll be able to get it, but only for learning purpose, we can go for personal Google Forms. So there are some predefined forms. So let me take it for example, contact information. So I can be able to use this, or in case if you want to make any changes in this, so let me take that comments is not required for this form, I'll delete it. So in case if you want anything it is mandated to fill up, So you can make the option as mandatory over here by clicking on required. So once the form has been generated, you can check it out. If the people are going to click on that and they are able to fill it up, that responses will be listed out in this screen itself. Otherwise, you can be able to save that information in spreadsheet. So we can be able to create a spreadsheet, so in which we can be able to save all the information in an Excel format. So I'll click on create. So here it shows all the information what you are going to save it. So this Google form and the Google spreadsheet, it will be get saved in your Google Drive account itself, so that the same email ID you can be able to use it for your email marketing also. So this is the way how you can be able to grab the leads. So now how do you connect this page to your existing Chatfuel or chatbot link? So you can click on send option and you can click on this link account option. So a link will be generated. You can shorten that link and copy this. So once after copying this, so you can come back to your chatbot. So in the contact us, so instead of giving any other information, you can be able to give with this link. So the link has been added. So you can click on anywhere, it gets saved automatically. So now you can click on the test this bot option on the right hand side and click on open in Messenger. So it shows that how it is going to get worked on the Messenger platform. So as soon as we enter over here, it is going to welcome us. Since it was being
Sir,
connected with my
sir,
previous, yeah,
sir,
who is this?
sir, how did you open in Messenger, sir? Can you please tell us again?
Yeah. So there was an option in the bottom of that screen. I'll show you just a moment. Hope everyone are able to see my screen. So at the bottom of the screen, you have an option called test this bot. So is that you people are able to see this? Can I get the person who asked me about this
Yes,
online?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are able to see this, right? You can
Yeah,
click
sir.
on this. You'll be able to get the option as open in Messenger. So you can click on this. So it will take you to the Messenger box. So we can do one thing. So we'll get the cursor over here in the welcome message option, and then we will click on test the bot. Yeah. So as soon as I enter to this page, so it was going to welcome me over here with my name, and whatever the welcome message I've used and the image if you are used with, so it is going to show with that image. So now I'm going to type it hi as a response. So when I type the response, so here it is going to give me the default answer. So in this default answer, I have an option over here. So call to action buttons. So I can click on this. So it will take me to the services block. Then once after reading this, if you want showing interest, so you can click on this membership. So it shows the information like this. Now, if they are interested to get connected with us, they are going to click on contact us. So then it will take them to fill up the information. So and they will submit it. Once they submit it, it is going to get saved with their contact information on my Google Sheets. So you can go to the Google Drive. There will be a form and the spreadsheet which you have been saved now. Is that clear till here, everyone? Please type it as clear. In case if you have any doubt, you can please raise your questions. Okay, fine. So hope you were able to understand with this concept that how you can be able to make use of this. You got an idea. So please make use of this in your Facebook and try it out with and refer some of the business pages where they have been used with, so that you will get an idea what kind of options to be used. In case if you want to use multiple bots, like you want to have for some days you want to use it for particular type of bot, another after some time you want to use another type of bot, so in that case you can be able to go to this option and you can click on the add new bot. So you can click on add new bot and you can select any of the templates which is relevant to your business. So for example, if I'm going to select with this Shopify, so let me check it out how it looks. What are the options? So instead of going and checking in Messenger, uh, we can click on use template. So without connecting to the page, you can be able to check it out what all the features you can be able to see over there. So it is asking me to connect to the Facebook page. So without connecting to it, I'll just see what are the features are available with this default template. So I can click on the automate option, and here I can be able to find it what all the default options are available. So here I can be able to add and remove we can edit it. And if I'm interested to use with this, I can be able to add that to my page. So by going to the growth option, so here you can be able to see your business page names. So you can be able to connect to the page. So is this feature is a useful feature, beneficial? Yes. Okay. So fine then. So you please everyone try this out. I can explain you once again. So we went to the chatfuel.com website and we clicked on the option get started for free. Then clicking on that, it will ask you to log in with your Facebook account. So you have to log in with the Facebook account. So once it has been created, you will be able to come to a dashboard screen where you will be asked to select with the bot. So what type of bot do you want to create it? Do you want to create a blank bot and create your own content? Or do you want to use any of the predefined template and you want to connect it to your business page? So make sure that what is the content you are going to add it is the same, the common questions it has been asked by your audiences. So you should be able to answer it over there. So most of the time, whenever, what is the concept of using, what is the intention of using the chatbot or autoresponders is in the digital platform, if you are not going to respond it, so you are going to lose your customers. So it's not an audience, you are going to lose the customers because most of the time when they are going to give some time to us to check with our information, we should be able to respond it as early as possible. But this chatbot or the autoresponders will help us to grab their attentions and grab their uh, leads, the information, and we can be able to convert them comparably. You market and do it, so it is going to get a customer on its own. Okay. So hope it was beneficial to everyone and you were able to understand with the concept. So we can end up for the session. Thank you all. Have a nice weekend.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.